right now, in terms of the IPO guidance for investors, is that this one will price toward the high end of the range, I'm told by sources, which could make it the biggest IPO globally of 2025. Medline manufactures and distributes medical supply products, things like masks, gowns, and lab kits. It was taken private, as David mentioned, by a consortium of private equity firms, including Blackstone, Carlyle, and Hellman and Friedman back in 2021, which was then the largest LBO post-financial crisis. At the high end of its IPO range, Medline could be valued at $55 billion, which is more than $20 billion higher than the sponsors paid for it. As a result, it's seen as a key test not just for the IPO market, which is ripe with a healthy backlog of 2026 deals, but also the private equity industry, which, as we've discussed here many times, has struggled over the past few years to find exits for its portfolio companies. Medline is perceived to have a sticky, resilient business, having grown net sales each year since inception in the 1960s at a CAGR of 18%, according to the prospectus. The company says it will benefit from secular tailwinds like an aging population and consolidation of providers. Medline acquired several companies as well and plans to continue doing so. That's a key part of its growth strategy. Concentration within Medline's business and its customers is seen as both a tailwind and a risk in the prospectus. Quality problems, product liability, another risk factor listed, as well as overall pricing pressures in the healthcare industry. But definitely one to watch. We should get some sense of final pricing after the close today.